Hi everybody, and welcome back to my channel. This is Scarlet the Diamond Painting Junkie, and I have a couple unbaggings. These were purchased through Wish. The smaller one was purchased back in May, and we got it one day last week. This one was purchased, I think, the latter part of July, and we just got it yesterday, which was August the 24th. So, I've already opened. I haven't pulled anything out, haven't looked at them. I've just opened the ends of them. So, let's go ahead and get started, and we will go ahead and unbag the smaller one. This one is poured glue, and hopefully these two kits will be better than the last kit that I received through Wish. It was double-sided adhesive, and it was horrible. Absolutely horrible. There were so many rivers, and it was just horrible. This one is dented up a little bit, but I think we can fix it. Alright, and we're going to just set those to the side for a minute. And being as this is poured glue, I can take it and roll it the other way. It won't hurt it. The canvas, the feel of this canvas is very thin. This is probably the thinnest filling canvas I've ever had. They do have the DMCs printed on it, so that's a good thing. Okay, so the drill field is very clear. And like I said, it is poured glue. It is a 30 by 40 round with 21 colors. And it is a butterfly. It is a really cute picture. This is just real flimsy. It's very thin feeling. It's not like a thick, stiff canvas. It's just like cloth feeling, I guess, is what I'm trying to say. As far as the drills, the kit is just your standard green boat, wax, and a pen. Okay, and then the colors, I don't know if y'all can see them. You got some greens, your blues, several blues. I wonder if that's, nope, 800 and then 809. Your pinks. So this isn't too bad at looking of a kit. It's just a little snack size quickie. But at least it does have your DMCs, and like I said, it's 21 colors. And it is 1 through 9, and then just letters. So there's no symbols. It's just your numbers and your letters. I don't know if you can see the drill field or not. So anyway, it's not too bad of one. So we'll set that one to the side, and we will get this one. Now this is the one I'm worried about because it is double-sided adhesive, which is, this is the first time I've had one with rubber bands. I've seen people talk about the rubber bands. But anyway, the one that I had last time that I did an unbagging for, that was double-sided adhesive. That was the one I had the issues with. I mean, it was just, oh, it was horrible. But let's take a look at this one. Now, these, my mother orders these through Wish. She likes the company. Of course, they're cheap. But she orders them, sends them to me, and I do them and then give them back to her. But anyway, this one is a 40 by 50 round, and there are, let's see, 1, 2, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. There's 22 colors in this. I don't know if y'all can see, but that's the picture. It's cute. And they are DMC coated also, which is great. So we'll set those to the side. Then it has the picture. I don't know if y'all can see that on there. And it is on a foam roller. But I can already, I'm just really nervous about this because, like I said, the one from last time, the one from last time, it had a lot of rivers and stuff in it, and it was horrible. Let's move that out of the way. Now the canvas on this is very stiff. So I'm going to do this very slowly. Ooh, and just hope that there's no rivers in this. That was just a nightmare. Okay. I've got a fly flying around. Alright, so this is, like I said, it is a 40 by 50. Very stiff canvas. Alright, so I'm going to let this relax for a minute while I sit here and look at this. Now, like I said, this one is 1 through 8, and then all letters again. I like that. The symbols are alright, you know, if they're just regular symbols, but then they get some really weird ones. But you got your DMC list, then you've got your quantity, and then it's going to show you how many bags of each color that you're going to need for this painting. It also has the quality, but it shows how many bags you're going to need of each color and how many your total bag is, which is saying 111 bags. Okay. So this is pretty neat that they give you all of your numbers that you're going to need right there. So let's go ahead and, at least this time around, the adhesive's not trying to pull up like it did last time on the other one that I had issues with. And it's all one sheet of the paper. Then it's very slow. So far, the quality doesn't look too bad as far as the drill field, and it is very sticky. It's got like a glittery, I don't know if that picks that up in the camera or not. Let me take and see if I can get this up there to where y'all can see it. The drill field is pretty clear. And then again, there's your colors, your letters, your numbers, your DMCs. There are I see one. The R is going to be a little hard to see, but if I use my light pad, it shouldn't be too bad. So at least it looks a lot better than the last time. Let's see if I can get this side. Okay, sorry, I had to pause. The neighbor's dogs are barking. But yeah, I mean, there's some dark spots, so I'm definitely gonna have to use my light pad. And looking at this, there are gonna be, you know, like right in here, that is gonna be hard to see without a light pad. But all in all, I mean, it's a very cute picture. Let's see if I can get y'all down here. Maybe at least a little bit closer. That's as close as I can get y'all. But hopefully you can see. You'll see my finger. But okay, anyway, not bad. I had to say that this one is a lot better, or these two are a lot better than the last time that we got one. So, all in all, I'm happy with this one. Like I said, the other one, the wolf, it was a nightmare. I was so glad to be done with that one, and I wish I had thought to do a post review on it, but I didn't think about it until after I had already given it back to my mom. So, let's see what the drills and the actual kit looks like. So, looks like you get just your average kit, your little green boat, your wax, your bags, your pink pen, and this one actually comes with, looks like a 10 placer. Still haven't mastered that size yet. And these itty bitty little bags of beads, diamonds, drills, at least this time I've got an inventory sheet. The last one, which was the wolf, I had said that I was going to do inventory after I had done the video, and good Lord, it didn't even have an inventory sheet, so I was just lucky that I even had everything I needed by the time I was done with it. There at the end, I was sort of started sweating because I was like, oh my God, I'm not going to have enough, but I did. Had a few left over. But, I mean, they look good. The colors are pretty. And I'm not seeing any trash or anything inside. The drills are not trashy anyway. Okay, had to pause. I'm back though. So I went ahead while I was paused, and did inventory, and everything is here. I'm not seeing any trash drills in the little packages, so that's good. And all in all, with this purchase, I think was good. And then maybe this time I can remember once I do these to do a post review before I give them back to my mother. So I'm happy with this one. We'll see though. And as far as the packaging, the shipping, I think with Wish is getting better. Nothing was wrong with the packaging this go around. So I think everything with this is okay. So anyway, my brain is just like everywhere. So this video, sorry. That's all I can say is sorry. But I wanted to do a unbagging, and that way I can go ahead and let my mom know that everything is here, everything is good. That way she can put down that she did receive it and that everything is good. So, alright, well, until my next video, hopefully I'll have another one within another few days. And I did do that whip and chat, so hopefully I'll have another whip and chat this week. We'll see how it goes. So, anyway, to all my subscribers, thank you for coming back. For anybody who is new, thank you for watching the video. Hopefully you will subscribe to my channel. I do plan on doing more videos and stuff. And don't forget to hit the bell so that you know when I do have a video. And that darn fly. Anyway, it's just been one of those days, y'all. So, anyway, till my next video, I will see y'all later. Bye.